And back to the BMW R100 today. Not the K100, that is in the back there, behind this little Royal Enfield. But back to the R100 today, and today what we're going to do is get the engine nice and all satin black. I like that satin black look with the polished fins and everything like that. It's the look we're going for. Quite durable. Essentially what we're going to do is clean the engine, prime it, then spray paint it with the VHT satin black. But most importantly, the actual removable covers, so like the rocker covers and like the timing cover at the front, even the air filter covers at the back, they will be removed and powder coated because that's a lot more durable, and they're the areas that are going to get a lot more abuse from any road debris or anything like that that comes up. So that's what we're going to do all that, polish everything, job done. Wish me luck. And speed it up a little bit. This, a little bit dusty because I've had a lot of polishing going on here. This is now the sanded fins of the BMW engine. I have got a lot of powder coated parts. So this came back from the powder coaters. This is one of the parts. In fact, let's put this on here. There you go. And all these as well. So I've got the casing for the air filter at the back, and also the front and the rocker covers over there, which I have actually, get this through there, I have actually sanded down. So these are now a bit dusty, as you can see. Let's just get a bit of that dust off. But these are now sanded down and polished. So the fins are all nice and neat, and the front nice and neat as well. Powder coating is so durable. Honestly, it took so much effort to get it down to that. Had to use a pneumatic orbital sander to get that down. But these can go on there. Let's assemble it. And that is it. That is the engine back together. The next steps after this, well, next week's video even, will be even more exciting. So this is the part where we get the engine back into the frame, reassemble everything, and then you see the bike taking shape again. New bearings, everything that's needed. So until next week's video, follow, subscribe, head over to featherballindustries.com if there's any merchandise that you like. But until then, stay safe.